What is a share purchase agreement? A share purchase agreement is a legally binding contract that outlines the terms and conditions for the sale and transfer of shares in a corporation from its current shareholders, the vendor, to the purchaser. The functional purpose of a share purchase agreement includes formalizing the sale. The share purchase agreement legally binds the purchaser and vendor to the terms of the share transfer, outlining what is being sold, number and class of shares, to whom and for how much. Setting the purchase price and payment terms. It specifies the total consideration for the shares, the method of payment such as cash, stock swap, installments, currency, and timing of payments. It can also include provisions for price adjustments or earnouts based on future performance. Defining rights and liabilities. The agreement ensures that both parties understand the rights and obligations arising from the share transfer. This is particularly important for the purchaser, who is acquiring ownership and control of the business, including its assets and liabilities. The share purchase agreement thus facilitates to contractually and legally protect the purchaser by way of warranties. The share purchase agreement typically includes warranties, which are promises or assurances from the vendor about the corporation's financial health, operations, assets, and liabilities. These protect the purchaser from unexpected problems or undisclosed issues after the sale, such as unpaid debts, tax issues, legal disputes. Indemnities. These clauses obligate the vendor to cover specific losses if the warranties are breached or if certain liabilities, even if disclosed, materialize post-sale. Due diligence. While due diligence is conducted before the share purchase agreement, the agreement often reflects the findings of this process, outlining any agreed upon adjustments or protections. The share purchase agreement also provides contractual and legal protections to the vendor by way of limitation of liability. The share purchase agreement often includes provisions that limits the vendor's liability for breaches of warranties or indemnities, such as caps on the amount or time limits for claims. Clear exit. A well-drafted share purchase agreement provides the vendor with a clear and definitive exit from the business, reducing the risk of future claims or disputes. Establishing conditions precedent. Many share purchase agreements include conditions that must be met before the deal can close, such as obtaining regulatory approvals, third-party consents, and/or satisfactory due diligence. Addressing post-completion matters. The share purchase agreement can include clauses related to restrictive covenants. These might prevent the vendor from competing with the purchaser and/or soliciting employees or clients after the sale. Confidentiality. Provisions to protect sensitive information related to transactions or the business. Transition plans. Details on how the business will be handed over, including resignation of directors, transfers of records, etc. Minimizing disputes. By clearly outlining all aspects of the transaction, a share purchase agreement helps to prevent misunderstandings, ambiguities, and costly litigation down the line. For experienced legal representation with respect to share purchase agreements and business transactions, contact our law firm to schedule a confidential consultation. Thank you.